County in south central Iowa, Lucas County in south central Iowa, Decatur County in south central Iowa, southwestern Marion County in south central Iowa, Wayne County in south central Iowa, western Appanoose County in south central Iowa, Clark County in south central Iowa, southern Warren County in south central Iowa, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Virginia to 7 miles southeast of Lamoni, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of western Monroe, Lucas, Decatur, southwestern Marion, Wayne, western Appanoose, Clark, and southern Warren counties, including the following locations: Melrose, Red Hall Lake State Park, Pleasanton, Promise City, Clio, Williamson, 9 Eagle State Park, Decatur City, Umeston, and Linville. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 4 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Appanoose, Clark, Decatur, Lucas, Marion, Monroe, Warren, and Wayne.